Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the cookies in your Chrome. So you need to open the Chrome first. Here you can see in the top right corner here is three dots. Click on it and go and find settings. Click on the settings and here privacy and security on the left options. Click on it and here you can see third party cookies. Click on it and there you go. And you will see these kind of options here. Allow third party cookies, block third party cookies. So you need to go and block third party cookies. Okay, after that you can also check the which is using what cookies. For example, Google is using cookies or any other. I don't use Google that much or Chrome that much, so cookies are very less here. But if you use Chrome, so cookies will be filled up here, and you can also delete all the cookies from here or delete one by one if you want. So if you want to allow third party cookies, you can allow them. If you want to block third party cookies, you can block them. And these options, make sure this is turned on and this is turned off. And also, and in the earlier cases, you can also turn off the cookies, which is not recommended, and they have also removed that option recently. And if you want to see if your Chrome is downloaded or updated, so that you can have these options, you can go about Chrome, and after that you click on about, the update will start automatically. Okay, so this was all about the video. If you like the video, please click like, share and subscribe. Thanks, have a nice day.